Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering real life examples, where in this video today I'll be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT in Google Sheets. Previously, I told you guys a complete tutorial about how you can use ChatGPT in Google Docs. So this time we'll be seeing again how you can use ChatGPT in Google Sheets as well. So it is actually a lot similar process for setup. So we won't get into the setup part because we already done in the Google Sheets one. It's exactly the similar process, that's why. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump right into our Google Sheets. Alright, so here I am with my Google Sheets open. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to check like whether your ChatGPT extensions is open or not. So we're gonna go to the GPT for Sheets. You're gonna just hit launch and it will launch all those functions for you. Alright, so after that, you're going to see a GPT for Sheets and Docs bar on your right corner. So on that, you will get two options, whether you can generate formula out of that, and you can also type in your formula and the ChatGPT will let you explain that for you. So this is actually a one step more thing in Google Sheets than Google Docs. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go with their example. So first one, I'm going to go with a simple example. First of all, I'm going to type here, generate me a list of random numbers from 1 to 100, and we're gonna hit generate formula. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, just generated a formula for me, which is rand between 1, 100. So that is the correct formula for our prompt that we just typed in. So after that, you're gonna hit it insert in active cell. But first of all, you need to select your cell in the Google Sheet, which I will do C over here. In my case, I'm gonna hit insert in active cell. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, generated a random number for me in my first cell, and if I can drag this down till wherever I want, it will keep on generating random numbers for me, but all of them will be in between 1 to 100. So yeah, by that we can make sure like our formula is working perfectly fine. So if we go ahead and check our explain formula column, so we can do that as well. We can copy the same formula and paste it in our explain formula column, and yeah, just hit explain formula. So let's see what it's going to say to us. So I say this formula ran between 100 generates a random number between 1 to 100, both inclusive in Google Sheets. So yeah, explain formula is also working for us perfectly fine. So yep, this was actually a very basic example. So if we go ahead and just dive more into like real life examples, so what else can we do out of that, out of ChatGPT, right? So I can ask ChatGPT to generate me a whole list of household chores that I have to do my whole day, or I can let ChatGPT to set me a routine for my gym time. So yeah, let's just go with both of these examples and see whether ChatGPT will get this done for us or not. I'm going to ask him to create me a list of household chores in a day. I'm going to hit generate formula. So yeah, it's just generated a formula for me, and now I'm going to select my cell, and let's just go for I in this case. I'm just going to hit insert in active cell. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, in our I cell, it just created me a list of household chores that I could do in a day, which is dusting, mopping, vacuuming, washing dishes, and all that. So yeah, these are basically kind of a list that we can generate out of ChatGPT in Google Sheets. But let's now dive more and more into that and ask him to create me a routine of gym exercises, which I can do in a day. So let's just see if it can create me a routine out of that. So yeah, I just started and create me a gym routine for me in a day. So let's just go ahead and select my cell now. I'm just gonna select C for that and insert in active cell. Alright, so it just created me a whole list for me, which said Monday you have to do cardio, circuit training, core workouts, and for Tuesday it's generated the same for me. For Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be for the rest. Alright, it seems absolutely fine to me, but if we can go ahead and we can copy that and paste it into our explain formula. So as you guys can see, this formula provides a weekly workout plan with different activities for each day of the week. It includes type of workouts such as cardio, resistance weights, boot camp, yoga, plyometrics, medicine ball exercises. So yeah, our explain formula column is also working absolutely fine for this case as well. So yeah, that will be actually it for today's video. In this video, I told you guys how you can use ChatGPT or OpenAI in your Google Sheets, and you can let that do a lot of tasks for you no matter what do you want. So yeah, that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, don't forget to watch more videos of this course, and I'll catch you in the next one.